Have you ever get in your car on a scorching hot day, turn the key, and nothing? Not even a click? Here's the thing most people don't realize. Car batteries are more likely to die in the summer than in the winter. Why? Because extreme heat silently destroys your battery from the inside out, long before the cold weather ever gets a chance. In today's video, we're covering 6 hidden signs and causes of battery failure due to summer heat, and what to watch for before your car leaves you stranded. 1. Evaporation of battery electrolyte. Let's start with the chemistry. Summer heat evaporates the liquid inside your battery. Batteries rely on a mix of water and acid, called electrolyte, to transfer charge. When temperatures climb, that liquid slowly boils off, even if you don't see it. As the fluid levels drop, internal components overheat and deteriorate faster, reducing performance and shortening battery life. If your battery has removable caps, check the fluid levels during heat waves, or better yet, have it tested. 2. Increased internal plate corrosion. Hot weather speeds up internal corrosion. The lead plates inside a battery naturally degrade over time, but in the summer, high temps accelerate the chemical reactions inside the battery, causing the plates to warp, crack, or corrode early. This leads to weak or uneven power delivery, even if the battery is fully charged. If your car feels sluggish on startup or electronics flicker unexpectedly, this could be the cause. 3. Swelling or bulging battery case. Watch out for battery bloat. A swollen or bloated battery case is a major red flag that internal pressure has built up, often from overheating. When this happens, gas and heat expand inside the sealed unit, deforming the plastic housing. This isn't just cosmetic, it's a safety issue. A swollen battery can leak acid, short internally, or even burst if ignored. You'll usually spot this during a routine visual check under the hood. 4. Intermittent power to accessories. Your accessories might act up before the battery fails completely. If your power seats stop midway, your radio resets on startup, or your backup camera glitches, your battery might be losing voltage intermittently. Heat damages the internal cells of the battery, causing voltage drops that confuse your car's systems. These symptoms can show up days, or even weeks, before the battery fully fails. 5. Unusually hot battery after driving. Touch test. Is your battery hot to the touch after a normal drive? It shouldn't be. While it's normal for the engine bay to be warm, a battery that feels excessively hot may be overcharging or failing internally. Heat buildup inside the battery increases resistance, making the alternator work harder, which feeds the problem even more. A battery getting too hot under the hood is a strong sign it's nearing the end. 6. Reduced cranking power. After sitting in the sun, if your car cranks slowly after sitting in the sun all day, don't ignore it. Heat can temporarily weaken the chemical reaction inside your battery, especially if it's already aging or damaged. If the car starts strong in the morning, but struggles after work in the afternoon heat, that's a sign your battery is heat fatigued and unreliable. And there you have it, 6 summer signs your battery is failing due to heat. Summer doesn't just drain your energy, it drains your battery's lifespan too. A 5-minute inspection or quick test could save you a call to roadside assistance. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for weekly car care tips, so you can keep your ride running cool, strong, and reliable all season long. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.